Chronicle Gangs, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time coming across my channel, hi, hello. Please feel free to join the family by hitting the subscription button below and make sure you turn on the notification button so you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. So on my channel you could expect beauty, fashion, and it's basically a lifestyle channel in general. I do a little bit of everything. So guys, please feel free to subscribe and join the family. So today I'm here with a hair tutorial. I'm going to show you guys how I achieve this sleek ponytail. And guess what? I do have 4C hair. So the way that it's looking right now, can you tell? I have 4C hair? Nope. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how I achieve it and my method and the products that I use. So don't move a muscle, stay tuned. Hi guys, so this is what I'm working with, and the products I'm using today are hair ties, combs and a hedge brush, shining jam, got to be glue spray, edge booster gel, cocoa butter moisturizing hair oil, bobby pins, a leave-in moisturizer, the hair that I'll be using, and last but not least, a head scarf. So guys, with any long-term protective hairstyle that you plan on doing, make sure that you moisturize your hair properly. So here I'm using my cocoa butter moisturizing hair oil along with my leave-in conditioner. And I'm just going to be parting my hair straight across. And I'm going to locate the center of my head because I plan on doing a high ponytail. Alright, so as you can see, I'm applying the gel to the root of my hair, and I'm also making sure to part it into smaller sections, and this is going to help it to lay flat. So starting off with the back, I'm just going to be doing the same thing. I'm going to apply the gel to the root of my hair, and I'm just going to make sure that I'm going to be parting the hair into smaller sections. So we're going to do the same thing with the front, and I'm just going to be applying the gel to my edges and to make sure that I make smaller parts, and applying the gel to my roots. Alright guys, so as you can see, my hair is laying flat, and I'm just going to be working on my edges with my edge brush. Next, I'm going to be setting my hair with my Got To Be glue spray, and I'm also going to be tying down my edges. And finally, I'm going to be tying on my head scarf. Okay guys, so this is the following day, and as you can see, my hair is lying pretty flat and also my edges are laid. Alright, so this is the hair that I'll be working with. It's a body wave. I ended up using two pieces. So first I'm going to be folding the hair into half, and I'm just going to attach the bobby pin to one end of the hair. Next I'm going to secure the bobby pin onto my ponytail, and I'm just going to be wrapping around in a circular motion. FYI, just make sure that when you're wrapping the hair around, you're securing it with a bobby pin. Alright, so now I'm going to wrap the base of the ponytail, and I'm not going to be using the weft. I'm going to be using regular synthetic braiding hair. So I'm just going to secure some braiding hair onto a bobby pin, and next I'm going to be securing it onto the ponytail, and I'm going to be wrapping it around the base of the ponytail. Okay, so as I'm wrapping the hair around the root of the ponytail, I'm just going to be applying some Got2b glue spray. And this is just going to help to keep it in place. Also, as I'm wrapping the hair around, I'm going to be using bobby pins to kind of secure it as well. Okay, so I'm also going to be applying some Pump It Up setting spray, and this is going to make sure that it's really secure. So here I'm just going back over with some gel just to make sure that it's laying flat and it's neat and there's no flyaways. I'm also going to be using a blow dryer to kind of dry it a little bit before I apply my headscarf. And here's the final look, guys. As you can see, it's looking pretty amazing. It's nice and flat. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below, and make sure you subscribe if you're not already subscribed to my channel. Bye.